Alright, today we have a little unboxing. As you can tell right here, yep, I just got an Apple Pencil. Hopefully it works with my 6th gen iPad right here. Anyways, hopefully this should help a lot in creative digital media arts. Cut this open. Let's get this plastic wrap off of here. Here we are. Plastic wrap is off. Slide this open. Designed by Apple in California, but made in China, as we all know. Alright, here. What's in here? There's just boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. Ooh. That's just to charge it with a normal lightning cable instead of just plugging it into the side of the iPad. And if we take it out of here, here it is. And there's the tip right there. It's a cover for the tip, or that's maybe an extra tip. There we go. Plastic wrap is off. And, yep, has a lightning connector on the end, as we all know. Let me try plugging it into the side of my iPad to see what it will do. Pair. I guess my iPad is Apple Pencil compatible. There we go. Apple Pencil is connected. I don't know how much battery it has left. Yeah, that was some allergies. I'll try this out in a bit. Anyways, that's it for the unboxing of my Apple Pencil. See you next time.